Let us learn how to do construction of triangles. When measurement of base is given, one of the base angle is given and sum of two remaining sides is given. So first of all, we will write whatever is given. Is given BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Angle B is equal to 45 degrees and AB plus AC is equal to 8 centimeter. Let us draw a rough sketch. Children, while drawing the rough sketch, you will use pencil because here on the whiteboard it is not possible for me to use the pencil. I'm just showing you, it is since it is a rough sketch, I can do this here. Suppose this is BC. Angle B is 45 degree. 45 degree is likely to be like this. And AB plus AC 8 centimeter. So let us assume here it is A, B and C. 4.5, 45 degrees. Now we are going to do the construction here on the white sheet. Let us first of all take BC 4.5 centimeter. Here this is exactly 4.5 centimeter. I hope it is clearly visible to you people. Now after drawing this line BC, let us name it BC. After completing the construction, I'll use this marker so that it will be clearly visible to everyone. Now at B, we have to draw an angle of 45 degrees. Now this 45 degree angle we have to draw using the compass only. Now for drawing 45 degrees, we have to draw 90 degree first of all. And then this 90 degree will be bisected to get 45 degrees. Since this is not the main line of the construction, we are using dotted lines to draw this 90 degree. And we have to be careful about that. This must intersect this arc here so that we can get a clear point. Now 45 degrees we have to bisect. So 90 degree we have to bisect, which we are doing like this. We have got an angle of 45 degrees. Here is 45 degrees. Now children, it is given that AB plus AC, that is A is lying here anywhere on this line. So we can name it as Y, as we have already taken X. Now AB plus AC is equal to 8 centimeter. We need to measure 8 centimeter using our compass and ruler. See, this is exactly 8 centimeter. Measure it very carefully. Now we cut an intercept at BY and name this point as D. We join DC. Now this DC is also not the main side of the triangle. So we need to join this also by dotted lines. This dotted line we have to bisect, or we can say that we have to draw perpendicular bisector of this line CD. So in order to draw the perpendicular bisector of CD, we need to take the distance between metal end and pencil more than half of the line, and then keep the compass on the other end. This all of you know, it has been taught you in earlier classes also. Now we have got these 2 points which we will join to get the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CD. This is also not the main line segment, main side of the triangle, so that's why we are going to join these 2 points using dotted line. Now we have got this perpendicular bisector has bisected BY at a point which we will name as A. Now this point A is the point, the vertex, one of the vertex of the triangle ABC, and now we will join AC. Here ABC is the required triangle. I am going to show you, I am going to highlight this ABC, but this triangle ABC is the required triangle. Now children, it has to be justified. We have to justify whether it is true or not. So children, we know that A is since A is lying on the perpendicular bisector, A is lying on the perpendicular bisector of CD, so AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD, because we know that any point lying on the perpendicular bisector is always equidistant from the end points. That's why AC is equal to AD. Now what we have, AB plus AD is equal to 8 centimeter, which we have taken on this line. This implies that AB plus AC is also equal to 8 centimeter.